Alright, welcome to my channel. This is Chuck. What I'm going to try today is a pick of this Caveo. I have not picked it or even tried to pick it yet. I believe Jay Gabriel sent me this a while back, and I have yet to try it or have time. It does have dimple, looks like 6 dimple pins and then some sliders. I'm not exactly sure how many sliders. So I figured I'd give this a try. It's maybe a failure, but hey, that's lock sport, right? So let's see if I can find a tensioning tool that I like. Let's see. Let's see. Nope, that's too much to ease up. Way too much of the keyway. Alright, so I think I'll go with that one. Alright, so I'm gonna try to turn. Right now I'm gonna try to turn clockwise and pick counterclockwise. So let's see. 1 is springy, 2 is springy, 3 springy, 4 springy. So I feel like all the pins are springy, so maybe the sliders are. Wait a minute. Oop, what do I got there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So those all feel like they are binding. So let me see, what can I get in there to try and move those sliders? Let's see if this will work. It may not. Nope, can't get up under that. So I'm gonna try a thin, short hook. Those don't feel like they're binding either. Alright, what'd I miss? 1 springy. Maybe 2's binding. Just a little bit, maybe. Oops, like click on 2. 3's binding. Maybe click on 3. We'll switch to a flatter flag. Let's see. Let's try this one. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. Got a click. I'm not sure which pin that was. Oh, just dropped into a false set. So, question is, all right, that was 1. I feel like I'm still in my false set. Checking anybody else. So the question is, am I on the sliders now? All right. Let's go back in and see if the sliders are wanting to bind. Oh, yep. And I believe we are open. Yep. We are. And then all the pins just went into the keyway. So let's see if I can turn it back. Yep. All right. That wasn't too bad. There are some security pins in there. All right. I'm pleased with that. All right. Thanks for watching.